Welcome. It's machining with me, and I'm Billy Bobbing, Bubba Gumping Boyd stock. It was a Generation 1 Savage, and it broke its magazine catch. And the new style, I got to remove some material to make it fit in there properly and at height to catch the magazine. A little bit of work. Just sweating a couple bullets as I butcher this, but I should have her done pretty quickly. This is hopefully pretty simple stuff for myself. So I've got a little bit of epoxy fill to do, but this was already removed by the original piece, the original keeper. So I'm going to just backfill this with some epoxy